Hi guys, it's TechDiv, and today's video is gonna be about form and Node.js, how we can get data from user and do something with it. So in order for us to do that, we need to create the form, and I'm not gonna bother myself creating an HTML form. I'm gonna go to Bootstrap, which is a framework for HTML, CSS, and grab a form from there just for a matter of time. And let me see, I'm gonna go to the documentation and components. You need to go form. Where is it? Yeah, that's forms. Okay. I'm gonna grab this one, copy, and we're gonna put it in our template. And let me start the server. The server is already running, so I'm gonna go to localhost, localhost 3000, and we need to include the Bootstrap. So we're gonna bring the CDN, getting started, and copy the CDN, copy and paste it under the custom CSS, and Control S, save it, and you see it's not quite beautiful. You can style it, but okay, we're gonna style it. We're gonna give it margin, style. This is not practical. I'm just doing it for the purpose, on purpose. So I'm gonna give it, give it 20 pixel, and let me see how it looks. Not that cool. Okay, margin. Let me give it 3. It's not that cool either, but you know what I'm saying. And yeah, I guess you get what I'm saying. I'm just styling. We're not gonna style it now. And in the form, we have two attributes, which is so important. We have the action, which is when you submit the form, where should that form goes, and the method. The method is when you want to post something, then the method should be post. And if you want to get to somewhere after submitting the form, or get is actually passing value through URL. Okay, so in this case we don't need that. We need the post and the action. The action is where we want the form goes, where the data should go. So I'm gonna create a route, and I'm gonna call it post, and we need to go to the entry point and app.post. We're gonna write app.post, and the route, like I specified, it must be, let me change it because some of you think that it must be post. Whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna call it dog or cat. I'm gonna call it cat. And I'm gonna call back the function request response. Okay. So in this case, we specify the post route, but we need to specify names for the inputs, so you can by that name get the data or referencing it. So name attribute, we're gonna call this one I think it's email, or we're gonna call it email. And the second one, I guess it's password. Okay, we're gonna call it password. Password. Okay. And yeah, I think it's gonna be. I think that's it for this video because I don't want to make it too long. We create the form using Bootstrap framework, and then we specify names for the inputs so we can reference to it or call it or use it by that name in our app.js. We specify two attributes, action and method. Action is the destination that the data goes for, and the post is the method that we are using for this form. It must be post, so it posts data. And then we created the post routes because we call it cat. It must be cat in the form too, because that's where we want the form goes to go. Sorry about that. And I think that's it for this video. I will continue in the part 2. Thanks. See you.